Hi, University Manuela Beltrán. Strategy, Teacher Luis Hernando Ramos. Estudios Cristian Espinosa Velasco. Are you sure you have a strategy? ¿Estás seguro de que tienes una estrategia? Glossary. Porter's Five Forces is a model that identifies and analyzes five competitive forces that shape every industry and helps determine an industry's weaknesses and strengths. Loop thinkers is a sample technique for making sense of challenging situations and developing sample intervention for transforming them. Mission, fundamental purpose, values, market segments. A market segment is a group of people who share one or more common characteristics lumped together for marketing purposes. Value adding. Value add describes the enhancement a company gives its product or service before offering the product to consumers. Competitive advantage are conditions that allow a company or country to produce a good or service of equal value at a lower price or in a more desirable fashion. Advertising is a means of communication with the user of a product or service. Brand building. Goal of brand building is creating a unique image about the company. Outsourcing is a business practice in which a company hires another company or an individual to perform tasks, handle operations, or provide services that are either usually executed or have previously been done by the company's own employees. Joint venture is a business arrangement in which two or more parties agree to pool their resources for the purpose of accomplishing a specific task. The growth family. In every company, it is essential to have a planning that marks the direction of the organization and navigation chart that indicates where the strategies that allow greater participation in a market that's increasingly competitive shall be directed. Administrators and managers are called to be one step ahead to take advantage of opportunities and circumvent day-to-day threats. For this reason, planning must be from a strategic, tactical, and of course financial point of view. Since this is the area that leverages the different actions of the company. Over time, technology has reduced the barriers to doing business, increasing revenue, improving process, and implement new tools within companies. However, today, the implementation of the itself is no longer a luxury or an investment, but a fundamental necessity that allows companies, large and small, to be at the forefront of new times with competitive process both in the national market and international. Currently, the family group aims to teach providers to register and to do the entire payment process through the electronic tool, make the follow-up of orders and the mail order purchase. The benefits were seen right away. The portal was connected from the purchasing area as a bridge between provider's internal user and the organization as such, looking for a more fluid and transparent communication. The family group wants to eliminate inquiries and monitoring of deliveries and payments by phone to gain agility. The advantage of the tool are framed in the optimization of time, fluency and transparency in communication. The family group is successful company that dedicates a large part of its time to increasing its business in a really and stable manner, generating reciprocal trust and lasting commercial relationships. Today, to family group, which each different lines, brands, and variety of products, reaching more than 20 countries around the world, which one it has achieved important commercial ties. Thank you.